Howdy, y'all. Kevin here. I'm saying that now because Jake over at Buckeye Bushcraft really likes to hear it. So, smoking a bull moose tonight. Might get this off here. Ooh, look at that. Just got back from class over to Pathfinder School yesterday afternoon late. Let me see what I can reach here for whiskey. Bushmills it is. Bushmills Irish. I have a hunch I'll have to stop doing these, because eventually YouTube's going to say we can't show alcohol. Probably. Anyhow, just got back from class over at the Pathfinder School. We had an intro to survival this past weekend. Really good class. Some youngins in there did a great job. Uh, 13 students, I believe. Of course, it was an intro class, so nobody tapped. Great thing. So yeah, been busy. Today I'm making products here in the laser lab, Salty Dog Outdoors Division of Laser and shit. So I'm doing that today, and I needed to get you guys in a quick talk. So this is a cigar and whiskey talk, but haven't really decided what's going to be on yet. Got several more questions. Folks wanting to go on because things are getting canceled and people are running all over the place with the bushcraft world and all that kind of stuff. And got a lot of questions coming in on all that stuff. Now I don't know if y'all know. I'm sure most of you know, but I don't know if y'all know. I've been involved in the outdoor stuff since I was a little kid. But as far as this bushcraft survival kind of stuff as a thing, you know, you guys have heard me say it before. All this stuff that we teach with survival and prepping and all that kind of stuff, that was all just living in the country when I was a kid. But as a thing, I've been involved about 11 years now. I've been to a lot of events. I've helped out at people's events. I've worked people's events. I've actually worked at a couple of different schools. So I know a lot of these folks that are running around in social media now and talking. And I'll be perfectly honest with you. Y'all need to not stop trying to get me involved in this stuff. I know I don't want to get involved. I'll be perfectly honest with you. I don't want to get involved in all of it. The fact is this has become an industry. The survival, prepping, bushcraft, outdoor skills, all that kind of stuff. It's become an industry. And as such, it's lost its heart for a lot of folks. And there's a lot of folks out there who take their 2 minutes of fame and think they're a lot more famous than they really are. There's way too much for me to get involved in all this stuff. I'll be perfectly honest with you. I don't want to be involved in the drama. So if y'all keep trying to pull me into this stuff, there's a lot of folks that ain't going to like the results if I get involved. I'm not one of those guys that only tells the part of the story that makes me look good, which a lot of folks involved are, a lot of folks that are involved in all this stuff right now. That's the only thing they're telling, is the part that makes them look good. They're not telling you everything, and they're definitely not telling you both sides of the story. So y'all leave me out of it. I'll just leave it at that. I think that's probably about enough. We'll get back into politics next week. All right? And I don't think I have a class this coming weekend, so I'll be able to make some videos this week. Woohoo! No. There's a bunch of stuff going on. And we'll see if we can get some of it talked about. So, once again, thanks for your views and thanks for your support. Thanks for watching all this stuff. The Bullmouth is a good cigar. It's not a dark wrapper like I normally go for. Not a lot of aftertaste to it. Pretty good cigar. And you guys have seen me drink the Bushmills Irish a few times, so you know I like it. I'd do them both again. I would. So, with all of that being said, see y'all in the woods. Couldn't see my pointer was over too far to the right. See y'all in the woods. Oh, by the way, if you want to support the channel, use my link in the description box. Buy something from an Etsy store. I got an Etsy store, but there's only one thing on there right now. Use the link to the SRO on my suggested gear lift. Get yourself tickets to the gathering. And come to a class. Y'all have a good one.